Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make eToro into dark mode on your mobile app. So, alright, what you need to do, open up your app and now you will navigate here at the top left corner where you see these horizontal lines. So click on it just like that and settings will open up. Basically this menu will open up. Now what you need to do is head over here to the settings gear icon, click on it. Now you will need to find, so now what we need to do is click on the display and right here we will have the themes. So here you select dark mode and this is pretty much what you need to do for activate your dark mode, or if you want light mode or system mode, it's the same thing. So this is how you can make your dark mode in eToro. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next